Hello YouTube, playing Cat Mario here because of a request by my brother. He wants me to try and beat the game in under 10 minutes. And this is the 5th attempt so far. Well, at least I'm getting better at this every time I try. And hopefully we'll make it this time. Getting over here, avoid the cloud, of course. That's not really that hard to avoid. On the platform here, jump. Avoid lasers. Charge. Jump! Oh my god, I failed. And take the coin block, jump here, over here. I do have to say I like the music in this game, and I died again. Crap. 0 lives. On the last attempt I got through that flagpole on the first try, but for some reason it's not cooperating with me right now. Okay. Yes! Hell yeah. First stage completed. 3 stages remaining. And no, you can't actually run out of lives in this game. Whoops. My bad. Okay, one more try. Going down. Evil Cloud, no! Come on. Do. All right. But yeah, this isn't really that hard. But it's still pretty damn hard if you haven't played this before, so that's why. Whoa, I actually made it on the first try there too. Usually I have to redo that like 5 or 6 times before I get it right. Oh man. Lucky win. I'm taking that. Okay, getting up here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Second stage completed. Third stage. Huh? No stars? Yay. Destroy that. Yeah, the reason I'm now avoiding pretty much every coin box there is because almost everything in this game is traps. It's not as hard as I want to be the guy though, but still. It will be unnecessary to have to redo this once again just because I decided to show every freaking death. Maybe I'll do that later, but not now. Okay, gotta wait for this sucker. Why did I do that? Okay, once more. I guess I actually have to keep up with the shell, or else there will be a little robot there that steals the flagpole and throws it off the level so you can't win. Final stage. The castle. With awesome musics. Ghosts and Goblins, if I'm not mistaken. for the flame. Mini spinning wheel of death thing, and I died. Oh my god. Whoop. Wait for the wheel. Wish I didn't have to wait considering my time limit. And I'm dead again. -5. Come on, we can do this. Work with me, Cat Mario. Work with me. Yeah, that works too. Wait for that. Jump up here. Fireball. And I completely forgot about the coin box. Do 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 do. Okay, yeah. Mad Rush. Dash. Damn it. And I just had to slow down. I'm wasting too much time here. Oh, god damn it. Seems that coin box wants to steal all my time. So when I finally make it through and check how long it took, I'm gonna be disappointed because it usually takes over 1 more minute than I had planned. Just because I keep getting stuck on some random trap. It decides to kill me multiple times. And alright, now we're close to the end. Please let me make this on the first try. Wait for that. Up here. Why did I jump into the fire? Whatever. We still have some time, I think. And I totally forgot about the fireballs. And thus I wasted some more of my precious time. Typical. Typically, no, my god! Yeah, we can all see where this is going. Or if I actually fail, you won't see this on the internet at all. I should have seen that coming. Oh no. Okay, one more try again. Alright. Now if we can just make this, I think we should still have enough time to do it. Alright! Well up! Yay! Oh yeah, and that thing down there can kill you if you win the match. And it's completed the game. And this was Neotyrant signing off.